Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Codex on Mac OS. Codex is OpenAI's coding agent that helps you work with AI directly on your computer. You can use it for coding assistance, generating code, fixing errors, debugging, and improving your development workflow. To get started, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Codex page by typing openai.com/codex in the address bar. After the page loads, look for the Download for macOS button in the middle of the screen and click on it. The Codex installer should now start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, then double-click the Codex installer file. A new window will appear. To install the app, simply drag the Codex icon into the Applications folder. This is the same way you install many apps on macOS. Wait a few seconds for the copy process to finish. After that, you can close the installer window and move the installer file to the trash if you no longer need it. Now open Finder, go to your Applications folder, and look for Codex. Double-click Codex to open it. The first time you launch the app, your Mac may show a security message asking if you're sure you want to open it. If you see that message, click Open to continue. Codex will now launch on your Mac. Next, sign in with your OpenAI or ChatGPT account if you're asked to log in. Once you're signed in, Codex will finish setting everything up and you'll be ready to start using it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Codex on your Mac. You can now use Codex to help with coding, writing code, understanding projects, fixing bugs, and working faster directly from your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.